Hello, good morning, children. I welcome you all to your computer session. So, today I'm here to revise your chapter 1 of computers, that is Introduction to Computers. As you all know that we have completed with our reading of chapter 1 and with our exercise questions. So, today we will quickly recap our lesson 1. So, let's get started. So, our first topic is computer, a smart machine, and uses of computer. As you know, computer is a smart machine. It is an electronic machine. It works very fast. It is used at many places like schools, home, hospital, and offices. It is called as a smart machine because it can perform many functions at same time and it can store large amount of information. So children, kindly tell me what are the uses of computer? कंप्यूटर हम किस किस काम के लिए यूज़ करते हैं? Yes, we use computer to watch cartoons and movies, to make drawings, to type letters, stories, to solve sums, to play games, to do calculations and to listen to music. हम कंप्यूटर की हेल्प से मूवीज़ देख सकते हैं, ड्राइंग्स बना सकते हैं, लेटर्स एंड स्टोरीज टाइप कर सकते हैं, मैथ्स के सम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, अपने फेवरेट गेम्स खेल सकते हैं, बहुत सारी कैलकुलेशंस कर सकते हैं और म्यूज़िक भी सुन सकते हैं. टॉपिक इज कंप्यूटर वर्सेस मैन. मतलब कंप्यूटर और मैन में क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस हैं. जैसे हमें पता है कि जो कंप्यूटर है वो एक आदमी ने, मतलब अ मैन हैज़ मेड अ कंप्यूटर. सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज अ कंप्यूटर कैन वर्क वेरी फास्ट. कंप्यूटर बहुत जल्दी जल्दी काम कर सकता है और एज कम्पेयर टू कंप्यूटर मैन थोड़ा धीरे धीरे काम करता है. कंप्यूटर कैन परफॉर्म लार्ज कैलकुलेशंस. Man takes time to perform large calculations. Computer जो है it does not get tired. Man gets tired. Computer runs on electricity. Man does not need electricity. Computer does not make mistakes. Man makes mistakes. So children, you have to understand the difference between computer and man. Please read it daily, write it daily so that you will not forget the difference between computer and man. So, in the second video of our chapter, the topic which we took was types of computer. So, I want you all to answer a question for me, that is, how many types of computers are there? Yes, we have many types of computers. I want you to name 4 computers which are there in your book. Yes, first is desktop computer. Then it is laptop. Very good. The next is tablet and smartphone. So let's revise with our desktop computer first. डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर को हम डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर क्यों बोलते हैं? Yes, we say it as because it is kept on the desk. It is also known as a personal computer. The parts of desktop computer are CPU, keyboard, mouse and monitor, and it is very heavy to carry. लैपटॉप जो होता है वो हम अब बहुत ही लाइट वेट होता है. इट इज़ वेरी लाइट इन वेट. इट इज़ very much easier to carry. It can be kept on our lap. It is smaller in size. It is lighter in weight, works on battery and can be carried easily. Tablet computer. It is a small mobile computer. It is like a thin book. It is touchscreen also. It has a pen which can be used as a stylus and it works on battery. And the last is smartphone. everybody knows what a smartphone is. Every parent in the house is having a smartphone. In that smartphone you can do each and everything very easily. You can make calls, you can message, you can store phone numbers, etc. You can find information from the internet, and documents can be read, games can be played, pictures can be clicked and shared. So children, kindly daily read these topics. If you are not having your book, kindly go through the slide each and every day and try to learn each and everything, so that it will be much more easier for you to remember, so that you can perform well. Children, so here children, there is an activity which is collect pictures of different types of computers from newspaper and magazines and paste them on A4 size pastel sheet. Children, this is a 10 marks activity for you. What you have to do is kindly bring a A4 size pastel sheet, colored or white, that is your wish. Pick up daily's newspapers or old magazines or old newspapers, find different types of computers from it and paste that pictures on that A4 size pastel sheet and label them clearly and write your name behind the page or below the page, your class and your section. And this activity contains 10 marks. You have to do it. And if the things are not available, kindly try to do it with the things which are available at your home. Points to remember. The first point is, children, daily you have to read the chapter from your book, and if you have not purchased the books, kindly read the PDF files that has been sent to you. Children, kindly do your question and answers which was explained in the previous video of computers in your notebook or book, whichever you have. If you do not have any of these, then kindly do that work in any rough notebook. Children, as you know, parents, in the previous video of computers, exercise questions, question and answers were explained to you in a very detailed form. So it's a request, if you're having your computer book and notebooks, kindly make your child do each and every work in the notebook or book. If you do not have any of these, kindly make them do this work in any notebook and try to make them learn, so that it will not be a problem in the future when they have a cycle test. Children, kindly start learning all the question and answers and exercise questions. Do the given activity which is of 10 marks. Kindly label your activity sheets positively. I hope this video was some use to you and you enjoyed the video. You liked revising your first chapter with me. So children, thank you so much. Stay at home, safe and healthy. Keep studying. Bye bye.